Good morning to everyone. Now, I would like to explain Parliament and Central Government. The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January in 1950 and provides a bicameral parliament consisting of President, Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. The President of India is also a part of the parliament, but he cannot sit or make discussion with both the houses, Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha members elects by the people and the Rajya Sabha members elects by the state legislature. The maximum number of Lok Sabha is 545 members and the maximum number of Rajya Sabha is 250 members. The term of Lok Sabha is 5 years and the term of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. Any ordinary law is needed to pass through these two houses. But if there is any differences between two houses, the final decision is taken by the President. Once Lok Sabha is taken a decision upon money-related law, the Rajya Sabha cannot reject it. The Lok Sabha controls the Council of Ministers. The MLAs of all the states and the member of both the houses of the Parliament can elect a president, and both the members of houses and of a Parliament can elect the vice president. The Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers are chosen by the both the houses of the Parliament, Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. The work of the government is divided into number of areas. For example, defense, finance, education, industry, property, etc. Each of these areas are seen by the ministry headed by the minister. Thank you.